Hello everyone. As part of using this program and for my class, I'm going to record a example of how to use PowerPoint in a couple of different ways for whenever you're taking notes in class. So sometimes you have a class that looks pretty boring or is just really plain, and every once in a while there's like a graph, and let's just say there wasn't notes here. This is maybe where you would add your notes. You can go to view and then go to an outline view, and that way you can kind of type in as you go. But just remember that whenever you do this, it will change the wording inside of the actual slide, versus if you go to the notes view, notes page, you can add notes to each slide, and essentially every slide is on its own page. And that just really depends on the type of class you have and the notes you want to take. And so for example with this one, there's a lot of pictures, a lot of things you don't want to move around, get everything all ready for. So what I really like for this class that I'm taking is to go to that outline view, and I can kind of follow along in simple terms. I can add my own notes down here on the notes section, or I can also just make my own notes page, and then if I feel like printing them out, I can separate the notes from it and just print the slides. So I'm sure there's videos out there on how to use PowerPoint more effectively in classes, but that's all I had for you. Thank you. Bye.